Hi everyone, my name is Sydney Randall.
I'm William Ledbetter.
And I am Andrew Fleming.
In this video, we will be demonstrating how to add dimensions to your AutoCAD project. In this outline, we will be adding dimensions to straight lines, circular lines, the dimensions of both the radius and the diameter, and angles, as well as showing you how to edit the size of the text and the arrows.
Linear dimensions can be horizontal, vertical, or aligned. You can create a aligned, horizontal, or vertical dimension with the dim command, depending on how you move the cursor when placing the text.
Radial dimensions measure the radius or diameter of arcs and circles with an optional centerline or center mark. The non-associative centerline or center mark is automatically suppressed when part of the dimension is located within the dimension arc or circle.
Arc length dimensions measure the distance along an arc or polyline arc segment. Typical uses of arc length dimensions are measuring the distance around a cam or finding the length of a cable. They often get confused with linear or angular dimensions, but arc dimensions display an arc symbol or hat by default. The hat or arc symbol is displayed above the dimension text.
Angular dimensions measure the angle between two selected objects or 3 points, mainly used for corners of floor pans.
Ordinate dimensions measure the perpendicular distances from an origin point called the datum, a whole and a part. These dimensions help prevent problems by maintaining accurate offsets of the features from the datum.
Baseline dimensions are multiple dimensions with offset dimension lines measured from the same location. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you how to add text size or edit the text size in the symbols and the arrows. The video doesn't show how to do it, unfortunately. So what you're going to want to do is under the dimension, you're going to hit annotation. It's going to bring a drop down. And from there, you're going to go to that brush tool that's circled in yellow, and you'll click on that, and that'll bring you to the next pop-up tab. And once you have that open, then you're going to go to modify to open up the edit window for the text. And once that tab is open, then you'll go to the text height, and you can adjust whatever height you need it to be, go up and down. And then you can also go over to the top where it says symbols and arrows, and you can click on that to edit the symbols and arrows. And so there you can edit how large you want the arrows and how and you can edit the center marks and how far you want the dimension break to be. And then you can also choose which arrow you want, and you can hit those drop downs, and there's a list of about 20 different arrow styles that you can choose from.
Throughout this video, we have shown how to add dimensions to any part of your CAD design. We hope this video helped to increase your understanding of AutoCAD as a whole, as well as give you some insight to shortcuts that could save you time when finalizing your design. Thank you.